The carnivore diet changed my life. Before carnivore, I was hopeless. I didn't want to be alive. I had anxiety every day. I hated how I looked. I slept through most of my classes, and I was completely drained, physically and emotionally. But everything changed when I started eating carnivore. In this video, I'm going to share 10 real reasons why I love the carnivore lifestyle, how it helped me heal, get my life back, and actually feel happy again. If you're struggling right now or just curious about what carnivore can really do, this video is for you. Number 1, I am truly happy now. I'm starting off with the most important thing. I'm truly happy now. Before carnivore, I was unhappy and hopeless. I didn't want to be alive anymore. I didn't do anything. I had really bad anxiety. I didn't want to go to places. I couldn't hold eye contact, and I was so self-conscious about how I looked. I didn't like who I was. I felt stuck. I didn't think anything would ever get better. But after going carnivore, everything completely changed. I'm now a happy, bubbly person. I can talk to a stranger like I've known them for years. I can hold eye contact. I'm confident. But most importantly, I am truly happy. Number 2. My anxiety got so much better. I know a lot of people struggle with anxiety, and I just want to say you're not alone. Before carnivore, my anxiety was really bad. I couldn't hold eye contact. I hated going places. I never really went anywhere besides school, and even there, I slept through most of my classes, mainly because I was so exhausted, but also because I didn't want to be present. I felt scared to do anything. My heart would be pounding out of my chest over the smallest things. I basically just stayed home because that felt like the only place I was safe. Now, my anxiety is so much better. I still get nervous sometimes, but it's nothing like it used to be. I can go places, I can look people in the eye, I feel calm in situations that used to completely overwhelm me. I truly believe carnivore helped my body and my brain start to heal. Number 3, I don't obsess over what people think anymore. Before carnivore, I used to care way too much about what people thought of me. And of course, I still care to an extent. But before carnivore, it was like I couldn't be myself because I was constantly overthinking how I looked, how I talked, or if people were judging me. I always wanted to hide myself. Blending in just made me feel more comfortable. I didn't want attention. I didn't want anyone to notice me. I just wanted to disappear into the background. Now, I still care what people think, but it doesn't control me anymore. I am confident in who I am, and I don't spend all day worrying about other people's opinions. I've learned to be proud of myself, and that's something I never thought I'd be able to say. Number 4, this is a big one. I can eat however much I want. My whole life, I struggled with food and dieting. Some days, I would completely binge eat. Other days, I would starve myself because I felt so ashamed of what I ate. It was like this constant cycle of guilt and punishment, and I was never happy with myself. But now on carnivore, I can just eat when I'm hungry and stop when I'm comfortably full. No more tracking, no more starving, no more binging. I don't feel guilty after I eat. I just listen to my body and give it what it needs. That kind of peace around food has been life-changing for me, and now I feel absolutely amazing. Number 5, I don't constantly crave food anymore. Before carnivore, I was always craving something, especially sugar. I would go through these phases where I'd binge eat, then restrict, then binge again. I was thinking about food all the time. What am I going to eat next? What I shouldn't eat. I was thinking about food all the time. What I was going to eat next, what I shouldn't eat, what I already ate, and felt guilty about. It was exhausting. Now, I don't think about food like that anymore. I eat when I'm hungry, and then I move on. I'm not constantly craving sweets or snacks, and I don't feel addicted to food like I used to. It's like food finally has its place, and it's not controlling me anymore. Number 6, I save so much money, especially my family. When I was vegan, I went through phases where I'd literally eat almost nothing. Some days I'd only eat 2 cauliflower heads, other days just pineapple and watermelon, and that would be it. So I can't say I personally spent a ton of money on food back then, but now being carnivore, I've noticed it's actually so much cheaper overall, especially for my family. We're not constantly buying snacks, sweet treats, or fancy drinks anymore. Meals are simple, and the best part is nothing goes to waste. Before, our fridge was packed with produce and leftovers that would go bad and get thrown out. Now everything gets eaten and used. So even if I didn't eat much before, I love that carnivore has helped my whole family save money, and that feels really good. Number 7, I always have so much energy now. Before carnivore, my body was so physically drained. I would go to bed around 5 or 6 p.m. every day, and I would sleep through most of my classes because I was so exhausted. Sometimes I couldn't even fall asleep, and that was truly so terrifying. My body was completely done. I was beyond tired, but I was still wide awake. It felt like I was stuck in this horrible state where I couldn't rest no matter how bad I needed to. Now on carnivore, I have so much energy, I get the best sleep of my life, I sleep through the night, unless I drink too much water and have to get up to pee. But even then, I wake up feeling so well rested. I don't crash in the middle of the day anymore. I can go for walks, move my body, get things done, and just feel really good. I finally feel rested, energized, and alive again, and I'm so productive. Number 8, my memory got better. Okay, so my memory is still honestly not the best, but before carnivore, it was really bad. I think I was probably malnourished or something because I couldn't remember anything. If someone asked me what I ate the day before, or even what I did yesterday, I literally couldn't tell them. My brain just felt foggy all the time. Now, my memory is definitely better. I still lose my phone all the time, and there are things I forget, especially when it comes to stuff from my past, but I can actually remember daily things now. I can hold a conversation and not completely blank out. I feel more present, more sharp. It's not perfect, but it's so much better than it used to be. Number 9, I learned how important natural products are. Before Carnivore, I had no idea how much the products I was using were affecting my body. We always talk about what we eat, and yes, that matters a lot. But I've also learned that what you put on your skin is so important. Most people don't realize this, but your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it. Your body actually absorbs into your body. That blew my mind. Once I learned that, I started switching to 100% natural products, and it made such a difference. Now I'm super intentional about what I use, from skincare to hair care to deodorant. I'm not perfect, and yes, I still dye my hair, but I try to stay as natural as I can every other area. Me and my sister Katie actually started our own business where we sell 100% natural products made with ingredients you can trust. If you want to check it out, it's called CompassionateCarnivore.store. It means a lot to us, and it's been amazing being able to share products we truly love and trust. Number 10, I want to live life again. Before Carnivore, I didn't want to be here. I didn't want to be alive. But now, I wake up excited for life. I want to go places, meet people, experience things, and just live. That shift alone is the biggest blessing I could ever ask for. And now that I've seen what's possible, I want to help other people feel this too. My goal now is to help heal humanity and inspire others through my story, because if this lifestyle could change my life the way it has, I know it can help someone else out there too. Okay, let's wrap it up. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope this gives you some encouragement, especially if you're just starting out or if you're struggling. These are just a few of the reasons why I love Carnivore, and I'm still healing, still learning, and still growing every day. Let me know in the comments what your biggest reason is, or if any of mine hit home with you. I love connecting with this community, and I truly believe we're all in this together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you all the absolute best. Bye! Peace!